Good morning, students. Today I will teach you about ordinal numbers. Okay, so what is ordinal numbers? Okay, ordinal numbers in simple way I can say it's the number, or I can say it's the position or order of a thing. Okay, if I'm asking about the position of anything, that will be what? Ordinal number. Okay, so suppose here you can see some people are standing in a row, right? And as you can see, one is there, he's busy with his phone. This one, this one, this one, this one, all are standing in a row. Okay, now if I ask you about the position of anyone, okay, for example, this one is A, this will be B, C, D and E. Okay, so if I ask you what is the position of A, okay, as A stands in the front, right? So we can say the position of A will be what? First. This is how we can write the ordinal numbers. Okay, now what is the position of B? B will be what? Second. What is the position of C? C will be what? Third. What is the position of D? D will be fourth. And what is the position of E? E will be fifth. This is how we can write the order or position of anything. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now my dear students, see page number 154. Here one example that is given. So children of class 2 are having a race, and as you can see, all have participated in this race, right? Now as you can see, Mohit, he is in first position, right? Then Aslam, then Radha, Sanjay, Nancy, Asim, Harinder, Habib, Purnima and then Bunty. Okay, so if I ask you who is first, okay, so you will see the first one, right? So as you can see, Mohit is in first, so we'll write Mohit here, right? Because the position of Mohit is what? At the front side, right? In the first position. Okay, now who is second? So second will be what? Aslam. So Aslam, he is in second position. Okay, now who is third? Third, as you can see, this one is the third, right? So third is what? Radha. Now who is in fourth? So Sanjay is in fourth. Okay, so like that only we can find out the position of these students or these children, right? So in numbers, if I ask you who is that means what is the position of Mohit, then how will you write? The position of Mohit will be first, right? But except this one, we'll write first like this. Okay, now what is the position of Aslam? Except this second word, we'll write this form. Okay, so this is what the ordinal numbers. Okay, so first, second, third, these are called what? Ordinal numbers, because this shows the order or position of thing. So as you can see here, Here it is given how we can write the ordinal numbers. So for first we can write this one, for second we can write this one, for third this one, for fourth this one, for fifth this one, for sixth this one, for seventh this one, for eighth this one, for ninth this one, and for 10th this one. Okay, with the help of this one we can write the position or order of any thing. Okay, now let's move to our exercise, that is exercise 15. And here you can see, look at the children standing in a line to drink water. As you can see here, the children, right, they are standing in a line. Now write their position in the line using ordinal numbers. Okay, so here you have to write the position, okay, using ordinal numbers like this one. Okay, we have to use this one. So this boy stands first, right? So we'll write first here. Okay, now this girl stands in the second position, so we'll write here second. This boy in the third position, so we'll write third like this. This boy is in fourth position, so we'll write fourth like this. This girl is in fifth position, so we'll write fifth like this. Now this boy again is in sixth position, right? So we'll write sixth like this. Okay, so this is how you have to write the ordinal numbers. Okay, I hope you have understood about the ordinal numbers. It is just the position or the order of a thing. Okay. Okay, my dear students, now see question number 2 that is given in your book, page 155. Write the position of the letters in the words. So you have to write the position of the letters. Okay, so how you have to write this one? Suppose this one, the first one is what? Mohit. It is already done, but let me explain. So Mohit, M-O-H-I-T. Now you have to find out the word am in Mohit. So where the position of am is where? In the first position, right? In the front, am is there. So that's why the position will be what? First. Like that only you have to find out the position of each alphabet. Okay, that is given. Not each. Whatever the alphabet that is given, that alphabet position you have to find out. Okay, now see B1. Radha is there, R-A-D-H-A. So you have to find H. Here it is. Now what is the position of H? This one is first, second, third, fourth. So the position of H will be what? Fourth. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Okay, so like that only you have to find E in Harinder. Here it is, right? So you will count from this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then you have to find out where the position, what is the position of E, and the position that you will find, that one you have to write here. Okay, so here also you have to find out the position of A. So you have to count from P, right? And here you have to write the position. Okay, so these two you will do. Okay, and this one you have to do in your maths copy. Okay, maths class for copy you have to do this one. Okay.